Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here my JBL headsets and I'll be connecting these JBL headsets to the TCL TV that you see in the background. Alright, so let's get started. One of the first things you want to do guys is to power on your JBLs. So go ahead and press on hold. I'm not sure if these are charged, but go ahead. There you go. And of course from here, I think to put it in pairing mode, we're going to go ahead and press on hold. Alright. Alright. Next, once it's in pairing mode, we're going to go to the Bluetooth on the TV. So we're going to go to settings. Next, we're going to go to the Bluetooth option. Alright, so the key here is to find the Bluetooth option. So go ahead and find the Bluetooth option. Here we are. So in the main settings menu, go down to remote and accessories. Make sure Bluetooth is on. And of course, we're going to search here. So Bluetooth is on. You can toggle it on and off. And we're going to search for the JBL. And they should show up here. If the device doesn't pair, go ahead and press and hold the power button for extended period until you get the blinking LED. Then you can go to pair accessory. Before pairing device, make sure it's entered in discoverable. Hit OK. Discoverable here means that it's made that it will actually be broadcasting a signal. So go ahead and select the JBLs. There they are. It says pairing. There you go. Hit pair. And it says paired. Alright, so it says Bluetooth device connected. Alright. And sorry about that. Notice as well, the blue blinking light stops. So the trick with the JBLs to get them in pairing mode, you can power them on, start with them off first, press, and even when it comes on, you're going to see white, then blue. Keep holding until you notice the blue light is blinking. Then once you get that consistent blinking, let go. It should continue blinking after you let go of the power. Then you can pair. You can also pair a secondary device, I think, by holding up and power. I do not remember exactly. Go to your manual, but definitely holding down power when it's off to when it's on and blinking will fix the issue in terms of getting it into pairing mode. It's now paired and everything is working. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.